How to change theme and background in Google Chat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change theme and background for Google Chat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the Message application on your device, and at the top simply click on your profile icon. You might also see three dots there. Then after, navigate to Message settings. Once you click on that option, go to General. After that, you will see the option of Choose Theme. Simply click on it and choose the one which you want. As mine one is set now to System Default, you can check either one of the option above, that is light or dark. So that's it. That is how easily you can change the theme and background of Google Chat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.